No. Rita Dominic. No. Genevieve. Yes. Let's go there. My experience at KPSTHRILLS on Friday evening at Old GRA Port Harcourt. Yeah, this is me coming in, walking majestically like a queen I am. Guys, there was a lot of laughter, a lot of fun in full package. I was the very first person to arrive. It rained so heavily that Friday evening. Before my arrival, the workers or the instructors are already warming up the atmosphere, because as soon as I opened the door, what I saw was them singing. It was already heating up while they wait for their guest of the evening. So I got the opportunity to look at the environment. Here is it. View the environment with me. Here are some artwork you will see at the Room of Laughter. That is what I call this place, Room of Laughter, or the karaoke room where we're going to paint. As you can see, everywhere is already set. Now, note that this is not the main gallery of their artwork. We'll get to see their gallery, which I will take you along. Guys, there's a lot of beautiful artworks here, which I'll get to show you one after the other. But these ones here, we had the opportunity, or I had the opportunity to take a very close shot. This particular artwork here is mind-blowing. I love the detailing, different types of Ankara print, different color. Is just so beautiful, guys. Here is a close look, and I had to zoom fast so you get to see it. Like, this is so beautiful. And this particular artwork in this Room of Laughter, which I call it, is my favorite. See that beautiful young lady standing there in her room? It's so beautiful, guys. Look at the detailing of this artwork. Like, if I have the opportunity, see that particular one, I will go with it. So this is me. I went outside, and some beautiful ladies I met that Friday evening, they came to have fun as well. So at this point, more people have arrived, and this is me here checking out their menu, looking at the things they have. Honestly speaking, I was not hungry, but I needed to buy something, at least soft drink, which I ended up ordering for something. Though my first order, well, they don't have my first order, so I chose something different. So at this point, we are prepping to start the event of the evening. Most of the people that are supposed to be here are already here. So we started with visiting the gallery. Like, they have a gallery. Before you start painting or the karaoke and all of that stuff, you first of all go and see their beautiful artwork, which is not showcased in this particular video, but in my subsequent video you see it. And that particular painting you're seeing in my back, I took that seat because of that painting. Anyways, part 2 of this video is loaded. Part 2 of this video, art gallery of KPSTHRILLS. So let me take you around their art gallery. Here is the staircase. We are walking down, heading to the gallery, guys. Beautiful art everywhere. So note that this art gallery is hall by hall, room by room, or session by session. Here is the first room we entered. The main room, don't worry, keep watching this video. You will see where the main beautiful. And also note that the management does not allow guests to touch their artworks in their gallery, not the one on that game hall, but the ones in the gallery. As I said earlier, is session by session. You'll be seeing in different rooms. So you will not take a close picture of videos. You have to be fast. So that's why I was not able to get close pictures of each of the artwork. Okay, so what's what we were trying to learn is tell me that you can learn something from everything. On the board, about At this point, I decided to take some pictures, and here are some of the pictures. That view is one of my favorite view, and this is the view, and this is some of the pictures I took. So beautiful, and this particular one is my favorite. And this is me here feeling myself. Oh my goodness, you're so beautiful. So at this point, we've gone back to the game room and the karaoke have started. Look at me sipping my drink, and the girls here are really doing well, because as for me, I cannot sing to save my life, so I did not touch the mic. I touched the mic maybe in other games. So guys, if you're in Port Harcourt and you have not visited this place, just try as much as you can. If you want to have that unlimited fun and you're planning for a birthday event, just get together, you and your friend, any kind of group meeting, you just want to have fun with just close friend or whatsoever, this place is one of the best places I can recommend. So the part 3 of this video is coming up. You have our painting time and other games. When I think I can paint, I end up disgracing my ancestors. See you all.